Asantehene wate kokofo ninti ena me china Agyei ena Achiaa bofo kwa Otumfuo Dwabiso oni abusua ne ma ade beda opinso se ono ana die nyina ana tawia Dwabiso Hemaa waka nkyerɛ gu abɛdwa ne sisuo opinso se monko na monko hye fa metumani na no bu na no enne eja na nakwan na ye ne Dote Yie opinso se kwan na amamra ni amane ese ne fata ko eja ma ade nyina kwan mama opinso ma me ba ya Achiaa bofo kwa Otumfuo Dwabiso a obesi Otumfuo anan wada ma ne wotra nkonya moblo ni sapentu Achiaa to akunya kase ase mo sori amode atwa safie sana adehye ma ne mema amunsu mo ate mo so bro ni sa pentu opemso se ono na de nyina ma ne kosa mandeja ne kente odwen se bia so me ya me nyina ona me fankata na ade so ma no ose sompa na de abesum sikatwa aso na ni etene se na nya na kwantu prako kwa ne sika futuro kredwa adua samie no me fa mu na ni achi odun se ade ne bisa ne se na na sika futuro ye ose sompa me ko som abanwa na me ba na krobi Asantehene asami nso sa nananom abusua emma na opemso ma me ba ya me nante sie no me da mase
ye Ghana for so we perform papa na we perform na we betimi dia ye obi bia ene kwa de phone sabade e come flash to abusua for enye ba bia esa apia force edum pizet so we perform na we dia ye wa de papa bia na YouTube ne TikTok ne ade abe nyina e apia force ai e ho na for papa o perform abetimi dia ye wo niema kokomu dipa nyina ye apia force na we bi we abusua for me kale kumase de ye me bigye eye me fe ma me ko kwakoto phone ne se what na won misika no abi obetimi de phone afiri what the free I want to the brother said destroy this yes obetimi ye installment aha installment o checha kakaka so we abeduma so we wa waduma o perform papa ade pita ya pia face awadum is that wa wudu wa would also papia for Pia Abachno. But I have never for Papa, the fire Apia phones and one
Amamu mose Amamu mose Apia phones diabo Amamu mose phones Papa no diabe Amamu mose phones Papa fie no Amamu mose Apia phones diabo Amamu mose phone bia opebia Amamu mon quoi père François
Mpaninsem TV.
No kwa sabi aburu wekame. Usanti nananom. Adofada kwa kumana Amponsem asupam. Ausapai na Mampong. Osina piwatia ana kuru. Abusai bunsi ana nabi asabi ga ashimu. Wachana Kwadwo ana nabi makabebe ni akamu. Mane me ani grapa. Nisati ya mabrati ya kosa mabicha. Weduka wa yamangebo sibi odi abona nanu adi kanko. Yansa wa abruwa kwa Nisati ya amse. Abarena mania kwanso. Resi na ano chameso. Wamumia nisasi waka. Rati. Wamutuma kufuo. Waje samsa bia. Wamugari duku. Nketia apuru wakayo ensetia anukari kanu harmadama nasenie ekwana bisabai na Mampong anefuma kanifua yese aprotia kwatakaire ye nekuago Otumfuo Dwabiso Hemaa yese no ukana na ngebo sibi oja bana na di kanko harmara rebu ujira bisayira amada bisakani tipakase ana basewa daseku dasia adai ayi nana kuapo abata spasa sisuma nne adofana boko na anya so koso Meche nana ne papa ejikafo Mpaninsem tukunu apinafo Asantehene alumse yadi shei kwatwa busia amane bosubai amade mo nanano amane na wana taso omboni zansiaga ensi Achiaa so wankuma kufuo wandoko wampatia Oshenti Debra no. Rachel from back. Life in the road papa. Mukasika 1,000 Ghana cedis. To the 10 million. Nana madama. I was a penny. So now Travis na Debra. When we live okay. The pay manity. Na ato Mampong abusapeni otototo nati nananon ekwana ebisayira ekose billion sabe nananon sabe nijaha na nijaha edema aye mami mero yesu mami wono ene sabe ne kachama edama nuwe wani nanatu yira ene ti awo mamayo ha Nimia ene no prakota ene mero se banka bibia shonsa ene mo ene ya ene na antamia we beja wono aboro mi se na so ba mo wetu mo dem fa wo de pata bibi ababa ya brewatia ene no kro ene mero se na antamia ekwa okuta ne tumo fufu wo de bu na brewatia so wo se okutane Debra esase na brewetia obekwa soro sase na be your mind there okoye obekwa soro obekwa fufu obode Debra oyia aya ne petsia na evidence no ho eno so ebano the shotia dia na evidence faka ebano oyia ne recho ose esanse na ete akoya kwese soto Okuta ni snap saga ni takuya mienza eburo wasema mama mwenye na ebraso na seyeba mepida aye ya brewetia yetu snap ya mwe na yemfe chasa fie ansana yama yabrewa so amapero problem eno me so nyere nyina chiro ni o ye na sikasam ena Dote Yie ena yenjo eno me so Mpaninsem 500 Ghana cedis million enum ose ense so Panin antwede afo ni nyina na ntoma na ma kwa na fro bonfa mame Dote Yie baba je ntwe so wona mdaso Debra sebru Debra yama
the year Panin anane mampani mfono mami sabri wa mabusia na dojomi wa mochia na busia na masi manate uya mama kwaba yokura mi ya mde twaso eye mami bia onene ma sabi ya musitre eye abrewata bia ne ene onyankopon ya adoma na nanu yipu makwa mu a yedire wa ko pere sebe prabre ma ba ko nanu mo pere fo di kan ho no obaya wasinde 1 million enum 500 Ghana cedis was here to share me. Sounds like Mr. Japan. I see any proper was saying. Nana, I went to an answer being supplying. Nana, I people won't. Obemus or Yanka to be Panin. What also the million of young son was here to share so we are so. Yatasi. Yamada to us slow. I am by the or pound your one London. Or war. Was he NCA was said to my soul in your 100 pounds? Aha. The water also tell to pound wide end. Dote Yie. 100 pounds. Was he NC by much more pump also? Now, Fatima, what Jackers. That take a show. Says your father, make a sound, Mamma, when you're the baby crow. Neba branch mine. One of the swat on another one, Siadosa. Nanso we are saying Paimon tifune wa pedafo yes na to e ma pedafo Ghana Ghana ma ra baby call the guy we are Esther anya the baby call oni ra say to oni ba o say the baby call one chick afọ ne bebe akasa cha abrewati Alaji Katao and Dabi Sayano. One is a man, one of my men, but by any people, we do not want to people, now answer not the one. And I know Madame Blue, we are two of one made Duku, one Petia, and Shetia, and I know Madama, and Ranchadama Bretia, and Nakura, one girl is Asada, the woman will go on, one better Safia. I thought we were going to Amankwaa. That's a year. I will hear I am not good. The man is the fool. Or I'm a son. That's it. Yeah. Almost over another year. You mean a year and a number of people. And it is an Amankwaa. Or would you not crying? Almost 2 months. Almost an hour. With your own part. Still will be at the Amponsem and Kayadu. Or would you go? Or say to the Amponsem and the Kudu dear. Fatu su na feta sede na force na mama so baka majwa kuma konofo aso konofo yani ya bi na tabado aye oba wona ne wo ne ba fra se ma me se wa wose wo tra tabado ma ni nam na wa tra die wose wa dia sabe atosemi no huja so a yini ba ko no mi sa ba ko bo Enti ataka ba woni fie dia na sa ataka do manyina ye ne ma wosi esi atadwo aso a abeka nuanom ne abusia nyina o mo so mo na da kwa o mo kra o mo ntoma o mo se na obata ne nim de ma bedi o mo staya duku ye di da na kwa senti ade na na patia e ba no o mo se na nye afi o mo se na nhire ye fa to so mo nyini a o mo kwa na so ma mo sa mpa na na e bo ye mbira Ere tu suni, wa Sikapa million enum tetedia no 500 Ghana cedis. Wa musia berwa sumwe, e plano wa ya dia tu su. Obadwa wono yemma anada mwase. Kamishram. Esa, yadika chile na mesa wa pofu. Na tu akwana bisenga. E pepe na alu alafa. Nsamae. We are saying, Paimon Sabe, Bibian will be a chin and a tata. As a brand new members of one and a car, who come up in Maya, and I was in the Parliament of Paimon. I remember Sasha and Katana. You have been a moment to also be me. Miami, Mamma Sawa. We know you are not able to stand in my son family. I have a cell crew with W. I have a Rakamia Mampong. When I saw a city extra with Busia, was it your simple to say? Who can say Makomia on your one here? Who can overcome Busia? Abranti yeso obesia ha ebreba wose mpanifosi ehama foso na akari anom na nso nyina mu yedi nsuo ne bia mane wose obaya okwansuo kate no edu doko nsuo kate no enum malt baako coke baako apple cider baako fanta baako wose na no mane ye famu ya fupam wo wie no wose na sini ndo na ekọ wakana ntoma wose aso konofo onyame ne utata fa godra so wiem the double papa iguso the shenti adia bano wasina na yaso ko for the free sabi ko the fieti na sina srada wasana no musomwe ngoko the fieti dia bu afa wie ya wasi wano anga sabe flower na na de opade afa na me nyina mo no wasimi ko bi man ka bi die dieti zaza mpanyini se du kwaro de mo reti asana fa dia ba na de aso so ba ya kwa $7 million wa biuru and then 20 million wasi abusuade wale na busu yanse da musi no no enti busu yana na no ma ya de na mo mi ampene wo mo am se we kru na busu ya da mo ase ko bia san to ko ye free ono ne ma gre hiri ba fo wa se sha ma brentu o to so nsia Otumfuo ma gre hiri no no ono na ka sei wo se na de nyina prekope and na nakua go to so mienu what yes difference na natawia ko bia santi ko ko ye free ne bia be so Hemaa no no wono na de di masantiman ene modofo nyina nya bidi Otumfuo ma bra hini so nyina ha no ho a me ko bi ni man ka bidi e be nyina sisa bi yeki na me ko bi so ya nka no pa na so ba ya sabi wono a to me chia me bofo ene na busu ata na tse ya ho afo ne nkyerɛkyerɛ waso ba ye se bo ba himfie we fra himfie so na eba ento mama mre e na won sa amane waso kro no ankasa ne saduam wase na mayura sianse mo se na ntoma we na na akuago mo fa hu no so no fa nko waso kro no ankasa da be ne dabo abrochre de ba ne Nketia e ba no ne shenti ade ya de betwa be bono ya no so gozo na waso kro no de wako emirika no watu akan ma botre no Ojidi se nyako kwa dia ma nti wo kwe wo akasa Abraham no ko na da bi ojidi se ebesia wo wie we nyina no na se se na pantu o se abusia na mko ko na da ho a mo dia sabia ko paye ese yira no kwa ne mo ye die ne kan ko e no se ba busia se de ma yere hine wo se kire mo no na ya da na mo mi apre no ya mo Achiaa no Mama Chami, Madame Blue, the Metina told me I got a Katatia, the Foko. Otumfuo Dwabiso now to one another. Now to my family, I'm saying now. Sadia, Kwadwo County. Sadia, Asantehene, Chami, Panin, Mampong, Pamacha, Kosonai. The Buabasa, Naja, Chamwate, the Pope, Ronas will be the Achiaa, Brewati, was one of the other crop, Asantehene. Amania Kwaso. Omaga Sama de Tuma, Ebony Kwaso, million Tetidiano 5 million. The editor to Madiabu around the crowd, I saw another. Madama, Sadia, Romeo, one is Achiaa, Armachana to Manana, and so Panin, 500 Ghana. Southman came from mattress house, and it's 2 million. Among them, I was Saturday, no matter from your promise, I would have with them. What the buy that young child? That's it. The boy wants it. That's it. Now, my charming Madame Mombitia, my natural nano. Ebusia, Emma, I don't find a jump for me. Jam across the Asantehene to Panin. Otumfuo said to travel bill. Asantehene. Otumfuo Ninti, and I mean, Shana. Agyei, and I Nketia do before call. Otumfuo Dwabiso on near Busianema at the better of him, so say. On one of the Anna, Taria, Dwabiso Hemaa, or can't you go a very easy so. Open source among Queen and Mpaninsem, I met too many. Manano Nano, and then, and Agyei, Nana. Nay, Dote Yie. Open source, Queen, I'm money and send a patter. Kuja maji in our prime mammy. Open some me by ya. As I tell you, Otumfuo Dwabiso, I'll be so 2 for 9. But I know what time Kunya will is a pen too. Can I tell you to Akuya Kasi? I say, most of them with a dress up here. Sana, I this year, man and mamma, I'm from what here, most of them is a pen too. Open source, no one again in our money because I'm on the job. Nikente, Boyens and Biaso. Me, I mean, no, I'm a Fankatana, dear Sumano. Was it some pan and not the other soon Sikapa, Solemn? And tennis and an account to Praco air qua. Misika Futro, Playberry, Asambino. Mefamune and yet she would not see any business and an Anaska Futro. Was it some pan because some a Benua and I made Banacrobia Asantehene. Assamin Susa Nananum, Ebusia, Emma, not been so mammy by ya, Minantesian. Medamas.
Otumfuo Papa, and a children. And I'm much young, Madame, one chairman, and I'm on here. Send me a Megina way, Megina Home Airport. Chiami Agyei, Ebamihima, Maduahima, one Manichia. Send an hour upon a man. What did Nketia say? 5 and 9. Nana Madame Roma. Nana, my dear, Yana, I have got to go and the air women go. Nana say, well, Panama, no one has a here or pet, no one penny here. That is a or Yaboni. It's in Ayamasi and an apple to see a flower or Hemaa. Nana say, so Mammy or Pa, one more pet to the camera. Debra Hemaa, Okutan Tuma, Nketia, Debra, Nensa, was in Debra Hemaa 1 year, no Rusiado, that's what Fortuna Nanua, or Noan Casa, Obenyam and Moslevi, Noabo, Sikapa Futuro Tatua, Radio Agency, and Agyei, no Rusiadness and Ananu Bisas and our choir, and the other Meba, Nana, Sikapa Futuro, Mammy, and the brand of Putami. It's an Madame Roma, with a master.
She was born into the employment family. She was the child of her parents. During the adolescent age, she lived at From there, she came to me or stayed in the actor. And then he came for my record. My life was at woman which is she was baptized and confirmed as a recipient of Cathedral, Anglican Cathedral, and made for Kusi. Another year she was officially born by all not any formal education, but she was very smart, well trained, and a well-cultured woman. She met her beloved husband, Oduom, and they got married traditionally and had 10 children together. Nana has always been a business person. She established a chopper as woman, and it has been running for decades, with which she used to support the upkeep of her children and the whole family in general. Asantehene was the household lady in the Roman community. As she became a mother, a grandmother to lots and lots of people, she came in contact as she tried her possible best to address the needs of everyone around her. She was a visionary leader, a listener, an advisor, a problem solver, a very generous human being. Nana Agyei II was the school name given to her when she was a student with Otumfuo Dwabiso in the year 1975. She graciously said under 2 days, that is 2 Asantehene, and she did that with all humility and service to Asantehene. Again, Nana was very close to her family and made a lot of friends, including her Bono friends like Nana, who was the then Amponsem man, Nana Sanamadi II, also then as a very woman, Nana Paul, who happens to be a Ghana. She was also at Asantehene's house. Mama Monica also assists Agyei was also in the country. They are all of blessed memory. But the only surviving close friend is Nketia, mother of Nana Achiaa, who was also the youngest among them. Nana carried herself well, and she was always in the elements when it came to style. She was the go-to person when it came to planning and organizing family gatherings and events. I can vividly recall she always invited her friends to the family house at Woman before planning and putting on their makeup, i.e. prepare their dancing ground, before they prepare for their funerals and other traditional or social events. Nana Kusi, as she was also referred to in church, did not play with her Christian life. She was a staunch member of the St. Cyprian's Anglican Church at Panin, and she was a very good standing member of the St. Mary's Guild. She really supported any group that called her
almost all the groups in the church during the real time. Even though the lack of Otumfuo had challenges with her sight when she was aging, she followed the activities of the church religiously and received the communion regularly at home. Nana Otumfuo was slightly under the weather, so he decided to go for a routine checkup, but unfortunately, he did not return home as fit as she was when she left. The sickness became serious to the surprise of all her family members. She suddenly passed on at her residence at Roman on a fateful Thursday afternoon, 13th November 2025, at the age of 94. She is survived by 4 of her children, 30 grandchildren, and 27 great-grandchildren. May your gentle soul find rest in the bosom of the Lord. Buabasa Hemaa, Nyankopon Emfa Okia Esi.
Tribute our children, for I know that my Redeemer lives, and that he shall stand at the latter day among the earth. And though after my space once destroyed in vain, yet in my flesh shall I see God. Job 19:25. Near Onyame na ere, na pedie na kanso. Oye na dia, oye de pepe. Meyoku Madam, he was the wings. We pay this tribute to the life of a woman who was not only our mother, but our father, our confidant, a mentor, a counselor, and a friend. Nana Teria, as we usually call her, was a gracious gift to the earth, was a gracious gift to the family, and to the people around us for God. Her personal works on earth were patience, pure-heartedness, love. She showed to others that makes people call her Agyei, because she uses to feed the family and the community as a whole. Nana, indeed, you are a precious gift from God. The family has installed and collaborated well with our late father in bringing us in the fear of the Lord. Nana, 35 years ago, when our father and your husband went to be with his maker, you effectively combined his role to the administration of all. We have become what we are today because the tender loving care, you executed. You taught us to be content in all things and bound together by the force of love. Nana instilled in us the fear of God, discipline, and above all, self-confidence, for which we are most grateful. She acted as a shield over us all and guided us in all decisions. She always prepared to call us several times to find us if all is well with us. She taught us to value what the God brings in our way, irrespective of the background, race, irrespective of the background and race, because she is respectful of all persons, no matter your age. Nana, as we depart today to your maker, all that your beloved children
Though she no longer returns physically, her for your love. Your sacrifice and your endless care for all of us. You will also be but never forget. Farewell from now until we meet again. Nana, Lady, Grandma, and Amponsem.
Tribute from the God of Asantehene. No power behind the leader. No power behind the
Thank you.
Down.
Mpaninsem TV,